wine are so special because we are in Torreano. It's a village in the north part of Colli Orientali. It's a cold area, and in our terroir you don't find Ponca, but you find Pietra Piasentina. It's a hard calcareous stone, and this stone gives minerality and.
From Tuscany, me and my mom also, that's my dad. And we moved to Friuli in 2019, and we have like a small production, just 10,000 bottles. A family business, just me and my mom.
We are from in Camino al Tagliamento, near Udine. Our wine is more minerality and more freshness than the other white in the Collio, because we have gravel soil. And we have less alcohol than 30 degrees.
Friuli Venezia Giulia è una terra straordinaria, ricca di tantissimi paesaggi bellissimi. Partiamo dal mare, arriviamo fino in montagna, abbiamo una cucina ampia di tutte le bontà che possiamo trovare in Friuli, tra cui il prosciutto di San Daniele, il vino buonissimo. Vi invito a venire in Friuli per poter vedere tutto questo paradiso.